Hello, this is Chaudhry Mahmood Anwar. Welcome again to my lecture. In this lecture, I will tell you how to conduct the homogeneity of variance for level 1 assumption in hierarchical linear modeling 7 HLM7 software. I have already told you that in HLM7 for analysis there are certain assumptions need to be met to get the unbiased results, in which one assumption is homogeneity of variance assumption. Homogeneity of variance means that in independent sample t-test and ANOVA, the variance of groups are same. So now I will test this assumption by using our standard data file I am using in all my lectures. So here is the null model. First, I will enter the level 1 variables into this model. I entered extroversion, then gender, and for level 2, I will enter teacher's experience. And for beta 1, to test the interaction between teacher's experience and extroversion, I will enter the teacher's experience here. I will enable this beta 1 disturbances. So now we will see again whether our analysis is properly configured. Go to estimation settings, ensure that full maximum likelihood is selected. Click OK. Then go to other settings. Go to output settings. See that print variance covariance matrices is checked. Click OK. Now go to other settings and click on hypothesis setting and check this. Test homogeneity of level 1 variance and click OK. Now run the analysis, run the model shown. Just wait, it's analyzing, it will take some time. Here is the output. You have already seen this output, but that output was without test of homogeneity of variance. You may remember we have got the deviance 4747.624382 for our cross-level interaction lecture. So here's the outcome of test homogeneity of level 1 variance. You can see that chi-square statistic is 92.97649 and degrees of freedom is 99 and p-value is equal to greater than 0.5. It means that our chi-square result, our chi-square test is insignificant. Therefore, we will conclude that our assumption of homogeneity of level 1 variance is met. But keep in mind, if you get result like this, for instance, in which the p-value of chi-square is significant at 0.000 or significant up to the acceptable significant level, then we will conclude that the assumption of homogeneity of variance of level 1 is not met. In our case, the assumption of homogeneity of level 1 variance is met because the chi-square statistic is insignificant. Now I'll tell you that if the assumption of homogeneity of variance of level 1 is not met, then what could be the reasons of this outcome? Number 1 is model misspecification. It simply means that one or more level 1 predictors have been omitted from the model, where the variables in question are distributed with unequal variance across groups. This is the most likely cause of heterogeneity, making this test a form of screening for model misspecification. The second reason could be a level 1 predictor has been modeled as a fixed effect when in fact it is a random effect. The third reason could be one or more level 1 predictors are non-normal. You may remember that I have already told you four assumptions of hierarchical linear modeling in which normality was one assumption that should be met if you want to get error-free and unbiased results. And number four is coding or other data entry errors or presence of outliers may cause heterogeneous error variance in some groups. So keep in mind this is very important assumption test of homogeneity of level 1 variance. It should be met for your level 1 and even level 2. We can also calculate for level 2 if we are using 3-level model. So keep this in your mind very strictly that if you want to get error-free and unbiased results, the assumption of homogeneity of level 1 variance should be met. Thank you very much for watching this video.